Hello everyone. Now let's see here how the electric power is being calculated. Now, as seen in the picture here, we have got one electric circuit on the top which is shown. uh, the Q charges are flowing from A to B. A and B are the terminals of it, and work done is VQ. Okay. Now, in this case, if the resistor is replaced by a motor, in which form will be the energy given by the cell get transferred? What happens? We got a power, that electric power is given by the formula energy upon time required. So electric power is VQ, that is time required is T, but we know Q upon T is nothing but I, that is 1 ampere is given by the amount of charges flow in given time. So Q upon T is replaced by I. So we have got the source of energy the cell gives in time T, where P into T to the resistor, I is the current flow to the circuit. Therefore heat is equals to P into T, where power is given by V into I. So we got a formula for heat, VI into T. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. So that V is replaced by I into R. So we got finally H is equals to either V square into 1 upon R, or H is equals to I square into R into T. This is your Joule's law for heating. Then look at the units for electric power. So power is given by V into I. So volt is nothing but a joule upon coulomb. This is in the 9th standard we have learned. Whereas ampere is equals to again coulomb upon charges, coulomb upon time. So coulomb is getting cancelled. So finally 1 joule upon second is the unit of power, that is 1 watt. Now let's move further, that is heating effect of the electric current. When a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, heat is produced in it due to the current. This is known as heating effect of electric current. The very best example for this is your electric geyser. Electric geyser has a current carrying coil in it. So as current is passing through that coil, what happened, that molecules among them is producing the heat, and because of that the water is getting heated up. So here it is given, see, a coiled coil. Such kind of coil is placed in your geyser, as well as microwave oven, as well as your iron, electric iron. So basically what happened, from both the ends of the coil the current is passed, and due to that current moving through the conductor, the molecules are getting energy. They get a kinetic energy. I showed before also how they jump from free electrons jump from one end to the other end, and during that movement what happened, a lot of heat is being produced, and that heat is produced due to this particular coil. Now electric bulb का भी वैसे ही है working. Electric bulb is having a coil in it. The vacuum is created because that coil should not undergo rusting. As soon as that coil is heated up, bulb starts blowing, and this is called as a heating effect of the electric current. देखो, coil of a heater is shown, coil of a cooker is shown, whichever works on electricity. This is another example. We have got a fuse here, different types of fuses. Many times, particularly in summer season, huge electric power is used in the evening due to the home lighting, fans, air conditioner. Summer vacation में बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ें यूज़ होती है, especially AC and fridge. Now what happen, amount of current passes through the circuit will be more, and the transformer may get the burden on it, and therefore they put a lot different types of fuse. What happen, if supply gets more, the fuse gets melt and supply shut down, and because of that अपना जो इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लाइंसेस है वो सेव होता है. दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्यूजेस आर बेसिकली देयर एट आवर होम. आवर हाउस इज हैविंग सच टाइप ऑफ फ्यूजेस. नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर फॉर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. आई विल शेयर द अनदर PPT with you. First of all, let's learn about a magnet. A substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended freely is known as a magnet. We have learned this definition of a magnet in the standard 8th. A naturally occurring iron ore, which is called a lodestone or a magnetite, also behaves like a magnet, but it is very weak magnet. The one we see are made from them in artificial way and a permanent and strong. What are the properties of magnet? It has two poles, that is north and the south. Like two poles repel each other, unlike poles are attracting each other. They always exist in pair. मतलब तुम उसको कभी सेपरेट नहीं कर पाओगे. इफ़ यू कट द मैग्नेट स्टिल द पोल्स आर एग्जिस्टिंग. रिपल्शन इज़ द ओनली श्योर टेस्ट फॉर द मैग्नेट. मैग्नेट का पोल्स को टेस्ट करने के लिए इफ़ दे आर रिपेलिंग ईच अदर, so it means they are like poles, and if they are attracting each other, it means they are the unlike poles. The magnetic field क्या है? The vicinity of the magnet. मैग्नेट के कितना डिस्टेंस तक वो चीज़ों को अट्रैक्ट कर पाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. द रीजन अराउंड अ मैग्नेट वेयर द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन कैन बी डिटेक्टेड इज कॉल्ड एज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेट के आजू बाजू का जो रीजन है जो चीज़ों को अट्रैक्ट करेगा उसको कहते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. Magnetic field around a magnet can be detected by using magnetic compass. Magnetic compass रख के अगर हम लोग magnetic field को चेक करेंगे तो it will be easily find out. यहाँ पे एक magnet दिखाया है, देखो वो magnet के आसपास का magnetic field is a semicircular lines which you can easily see. Magnetic field lines. अगर मैग्नेट को रखेंगे और आयन फाइलिंग स्प्रिंकल करेंगे टेबल के ऊपर तो आयन फाइलिंग्स विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वे. ये दिख रहा है आपको? तो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ऑफ लाइन्स आर शोन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वे. अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स आर द पाथ अराउंड अ मैग्नेट along which a north pole of a magnet compass needle tends to move. The magnetic field lines around a magnet can be observed by sprinkling iron filings around a magnet. It can also be observed by moving a magnetic compass around a magnet. The magnetic field lines emerges a north pole and merge at the south pole. नॉर्थ पोल से वो चालू हो जाते हैं और साउथ पोल की तरफ वो ख़त्म होते हैं. उनका जो डायरेक्शन है दैट इज शोन, जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर. इट इज़ pointed from north pole to south pole. The magnetic field lines are closer at the poles. जो poles है वहाँ पे वो ज़्यादा close रहते हैं and they do not intersect each other. Next to that, magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया है देखो. If a magnetic compass placed near a current carrying coil, the needle is deflected. This shows that a current carrying conductor has a magnetic field around it. उन्होंने क्या किया कि एक सपोज कॉपर वायर में से करंट पास हो रहा है और उसके बाजू में कंपस मैग्नेटिक कंपस लेके गए तो मैग्नेटिक कंपस में डिफ्लेक्शन हुआ. तो व्हाट दे हैव अंडरस्टूड कि करंट कैरिंग कॉइल नॉट ओनली प्रोड्यूसेस द हीट तो प्रोड्यूस करता ही है बट इट आल्सो प्रोड्यूसेस अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड इट. If the direction of a current is from north to south, the deflection of a magnetic needle towards the east. यहाँ पे देखो वो needle deflect हो रहा है जैसे करंट पास हो रहा है वैसे. If the direction of current is from south to north, it is towards west. A magnetic field around a current carrying coil, a straight conductor, it is in the circular object. राइट हैंड थंब रूल. अगर राइट हैंड को हम लोग इस प्रकार से पकड़ेंगे, एक पेन पकड़ लो या पेंसिल पकड़ लो आपके हाथ में ऐसा, तो थंब जो है अगर थंब आपका करंट कैरिंग का डायरेक्शन दिखा रहा है कि करंट इज़ मूविंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो जो कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स है वो कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स आपको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन दिखाएगा. सो दिस इज़ योर राइट हैंड थंब रूल. इफ़ अ करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर इज हेल्ड in the right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of a current, then a finger wrapped around the conductor shows the direction of magnetic field. Now magnetic field due to current in the loop, सेम अगर हम लोग एक सिंगल थंब से सिर्फ वो पेन पकड़ा था, बट अगर हम लोगों ने लूप डाल दिया, then what happens? When a current is passed through a conductor, that is a loop, the magnetic field produced in the form of concentric circles around the conductor towards the center, and it becomes a larger at the center and appears as a straight line later on. You all are going to see this, the next part I'll send in the next class.